He took you out, dude.
He won't bite him. He won't bite. He just being a bully.
Take it away from him.
I can't. Like funny, dude.
Ahí viene el agua, Israel.